Viewers all over the world, for some of you that are seeing me for the first time, one more boy Eze-Ana Ugochi tubere no rift Jugo. Yes, I'm ancient high priest. Brugoyi sin chuaja, no Eze-Ana Restoration Evangelical Mission. Brugoyi sin chuaja no Ugochi tubere na temple. Anyị na-agba afọ gbaa family emi nokwazi ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche. Abụkwazi m onye isi nchụaja na ọdịnala Restoration Evangelical Mission. Bụrụ onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. So you can call me a priest or an evangelist. I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. N'ụbọchị taa n'oge awa nke eziokwu isiokwu anyị ji wee bịa bụ the benefit of flowers and plants. Gịnị ka anyị na-ekwu maka ya? Anyị na-ekwu na what you don't know remains a mystery to you and not to all. Na-akọwara gị na o nwere ihe ọbụla Chukwu kere n'elu ụwa dị useless. Mana ọ maka na ị marọ. Yes, what you don't know is greater than you. Ana m achọ ịgwa gị na those flowers ị na-afụ a na-akpọ okoko n'onu Igbo bụ ihe Chukwu okike develop iji wee chọọ ụwa mma chọkwazie mmadụ mma. Enwere supernatural powers that flows from those flowers and plants for the benefit of man. Ofu ihe ịmara ọbụna those fragrance ị na-afụ na-esipụta na those flowers abụrụ a joke. All for a reason. Those flowers, those elemental beings and animistics, the entities or powers, whenever they hear the fragrance coming out from those flowers, they tend to go towards that direction. Makade be headed. About the jago now want to be taken the importance of even incense. If sensible gums and the back of plants. Okay, what idea? Yes, you're not check one again. Then with great benefits in flowers and plants in and around your house. All the very great, but on matter. Before I give an ilunia, all I was an echo wall tatabo, Echefuna, Natao, I got the month of July. Our monthly ritual for the month is still ongoing. You can join us anywhere you are all over the globe. We started this group ritual here category 3 years now. We have massive testimonies. But as you all know, we don't share testimonies on social media more than TV. Macaroni unnecessary. But they can now go on the kid. Najana Chuni. Nisho Totua. Ejagorim na temple. Chuaja go for Kubiokuni Sindri Nesuela all over the world. The friends of the temple, the children of the temple, members of the Restoration Evangelical Mission, and the consecrated group. It was the last day of the month. I generally get pay Loma, Nahamadum. Bagodana temple, Chuaja to entities of powers. Jeneben Chuaja, Buim, Mesalaka. One that's Waja, Makanaja Kalino. I wonder what I do when Ankuzia Mobile, Cholokisu and I Jana Chuniwe. Chat Yamna was up 0805 78 37672. 0813 8243 871. In I screen gave up numbers in Dampon. Now let's dive into today's lecture. Okay, very short. Magenti. Can I check all gable? Then will benefit a lot. The neighbor body flowers or plants in around the compound. Yes, flower na bokoko. But some of you are let me give an example. Aboni so no you abona go out to develop the world. Yes, to develop the world. Like UK or whatever, I want to travel out. You get notice that every compound and a sort of flower garden. Both plants and flowers everywhere. You know why? Because they know the importance of having those flowers and plants around the house. You think they are joking. You don't know. That's why Nagwagi seek knowledge. What you don't know remains a mystery to you and not to all. Some of this is in Africa here. The way we go about our spirituality. Ototun also may go upgrade to higher vibrations. Yes. Some of these things on our way, but in our bumbo, may Kendamus, may repair the negative vibrations. Do you know? Let me tell you what will shock you. Do you know that having plants in around your house and the plants and the flowers of cocoa can actually do those work for you? You know. Do you know that tree and a chocolate tree? A chocolate tree, yes, one a masquerade tree. Do you know that no will wonderful work on a compound? In what idea? In what idea they will do some work Even having a coconut tree now on a company, what idea? In what idea then will do flowers this channel. I can tell you sometimes you're a joke because you don't want to understand how things work. You think any in there just for formality's sake. And when some of these sacred trees and plants more than Jack had dear. Even at time why were so many these sacred plants they say around the house. For a reason, man, for Amara. Of course, say chomma, and what other things on all. I will even have company with so many flowers for protection. I will even my bag. I will so many of them. I don't want to start naming them one after the other, but I can tell you, having those things with the honor, but you don't know. Here in Asokoto, then were natural ways of achieving the same method. Some people they use a cake method. And when a family get if you catch so I can tell you a guy, you need there. He need always some certain things, he need the pure vibrations in around you. For the more negative dreams. Yes, and what dreams so positive dreams so for a purely message. My name will do some negative dreams in a main counter because of negative vibration in around your house. But I can tell you that you can achieve the same purpose by having the right flowers. Flowers some in the compound are a joke for to fake or to beautify house. But for a knowledgeable person, on our both work, both beautification and the other spiritual aspect of it. Again on my page, I forgot this yesterday and today. And my here was the benefit of a plant, a flower called marigold. Go to Google. The problem on you make research. Maracu's boy here, they may money honya yoku in Adamant. Get a check one. And my check one that those flowers, you know, let me tell you what will happen. They tell me that you don't have spiritual eyes. Yes. Do you know always some of these flowers, whenever they habido miwa or we fruit miwa flowers. You notice here was some fragrance, on particular easy, common and easy. And you notice here they got some incense. They will begin to visit the flower very often. Then almost some flowers again when I beg like rose. Almost some flowers again when I beg. You notice here that butterflies frequent those flowers. Then Ma to you, they are just mere butterfly up here. I can tell you. So now you get away now as butterfly. But I can tell you in the spiritual realm and in the eyes of a mystic, on our further elements now got together with those butterflies. Like you, let me give you another example. The blessing of nature. And some of you are seeing rainy season, rain as normal, just rain. But a spiritual, a mystic person will tell you that rain in our scene is like during that time of rainy season is actually the time to pour blessings in order to renew the world anew. And we are the outpouring of the Holy Spirit. Now, Oga get to get renew or the you watch around you, at that time we'll get the trees we a new look. What you don't know remains a mystery to you. That's why you always seek, you should seek for knowledge. Yes. Hosea 4:6, I keep quoting it, says, my people are suffering because of lack of knowledge and vision. If you are not knowledgeable, you will fake. Yes. He are a wise one. They will totally wise one, abro somewhere, able just ordinary typical dibia. You may get it typical dibia, but more other things, they operate in other spiritual vibration. Abro so within that arena. Get a nakwamakia. Yet nakwamakia, those flowers in our food in the compounds were we honor. Oh, yeah, but I need was in compound whose look was in where flower garden. And then with essential. And what do you know that name well some flowers and plants garden a compound? Only upon chair again job more project anything towards your direction, it will bounce back to the sender. Yes. Emmanuel, where some flowers and plants gather around you. When you are breathing in and out, you are exchanging positive vibration with those plants and the flowers around you. It's the exchange of purest of them all, because those flowers and plants attract the purest beings. It ends negative nightmare. It ends negative nightmare. Do you know that normally well some adore your environment with those the right flowers? Do you know that now no one day when you get matter case when we are not at no you visit their flower garden, or just to breathe in the freshness of those positive beings? Is there enough healing, both physical and spiritual healing? Is there enough recharging of your vibration? Because when those you breathe in and out, those spiritual beings you breathed in and those positive vibrations you breathed in normally detoxify negative vibrations around you. Sometimes here in that healing in Nigeria spiritually is made. You need to spend few minutes of your time daily within your flower garden. Yes, some people plant flowers and garden in and around their compounds. They are by so doing, they can sit out on their balcony. They can sit out on their balcony and feel the beauty of nature and be able to connect themselves with the natural beings. In other words, they are recharging themselves spiritually. Have you noticed that any often, if you are spiritually alert, you visit their flower garden, spend few minutes, walk around, you get some inspiration. I want to buy on a jugo wine than the other developed world. Diana have already advanced in spiritual thinking. Do you know that now sometimes if you want to meditate, if you want to think about nature, you can sit up in your balcony where you'll be receiving those fresh air. Yes, from these natural vibrations from these natural plants and flowers, in order to energize yourself, in order to fulfill what you have exhausted. What am I saying in essence? Make sure you create time to have these necessary plants in and around your house. I will help you if you are interested. And I know most people don't know about these things, the benefit of these things. Do you know that even the essence you spend huge amount of money to go and buy in the market? Do you know it's made up of plants, leaves, flowers, and rest of them? Do you know? They process it, yes, and mix it with other lightening stuff. If you light here, the smoke will be going up. Do you know? Have you seen the frankincense, the ones those Catholic people normally na farache kamas? You know the back of the wood and the gums. It will call the no that things. You have to buy on the fee on the variable can the aroma go upward to the air in order to invite the purest beings. How when we can join your name ajamas. Man, I can tell you that you can even plant those flowers and plants in around you. By those flowers living around you, you are protected, you are shielded. Or to don't them mad on the practice go to higher spiritual vibration. Understand what I'm saying? More on the book secretary members in the temple. Understand it very well. More canon or to don't them mad on the practice go and maybe higher Shintoism, Hinduism, more and those on the practice go higher spiritual vibration like from Mexico, the Germanic people, the German people, the Austria and the rest of them, and those on. Even the Mexicans and the Chinese people, they know. They make use of flowers. They use it to express their joy. And when some flowers say they made decoration about an anticipation of joy, joyful activities. maybe an attract luck. Almost some flower like the marigold I showed you. By having marigold in around you, attract luck. Sometimes if you are practicing those things and obeying those natural stuff, onye nọ na-agwụ ike iche na nwere ọgwụ ego igwere nwere ihe dịka ọgwụ ego maka na those things mere ihe na-attract the favor na-eme ka favorable spirits na-abịa n'ebe ị nọ. And whenever the favorable beings are in around you, they will always carry your thought, your wish. Because this morning I have sent some thoughts, some wish. Ihe nchọrọ ka ọ na-eme n'ime ndụ m, ihe nchọrọ ka ọ na-eme in around the temple, ihe nchọrọ ka ọ na-eme n'isi ndị niile, the friends of the temple, children of the temple, members of the Restoration Evangelical Mission and the consecrated group. Once you send those thoughts, they are the ones that have them bajos, they are the steward people. How about they gave you that messages and thought? Good year to the entire universe. If some of those things in a actual you can actually achieve them by building personal relation with other elemental beings. You become friends with them. Can you say about pay attention tomorrow? I got quality some sacred trees and why is it important for you to have them in around your house. Thank you. Chat me on WhatsApp 0805 7837672 or 0813-8243-871. Yes. You want to chat on WhatsApp. Very soon, by September 16, I get reaching a temple. The place of worship for Chukwu. Name that place of worship. I don't say I get a flower garden. Yes, where people can actually go. I call it a gel field. People can actually go there and have recharge themselves and so many other things. You will see the beauty of nature in that consecrated place of worship. Actually, on September 16. Just take note that date and they are invited. 0805 783 7672. Now, I took a kept me here in a async or Macamelon. You don't know.